Hey guys, so St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and as someone that's incredibly Irish, I'm a little excited for that. Yeah, so I wanted to show you just kind of a fun makeup look for that. And yeah, so let's get started. So first, we're going to fill in our eyebrows, but the fun thing with this look is that we're actually going to make our eyebrows rainbow. So I've done this before in a pride look I've done. Yeah, so we're going to basically make our rainbows. So for our eyebrows, I'm just going to use the NYX Ultimate palette to get all of those colors in. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, just to kind of cover that up so we can get a bright color. Fun times. I'm getting flashbacks to the Bratz video. But you know what? We're doing great. So then we're just going to go in with our colors. I know I look ridiculous right now, but it's gonna work out. It's going great. We're just gonna start with some red, a little bit of that right there. Just do that to the other side as well, so you're not mixing too many of your colors together. And after the red, we're going to go with orange and just continue our rainbow from there. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are done, we look a little crazy, but it's gonna have a good result. So we're going to continue on with our eyes, and this is where we're going to get some of the green in for this holiday look. For this eye look, we're just going to get started with some stickers. So these are just 4-leaf clovers. So I'm just going to take some of those out. So we're just going to take one of those and put it up by our eye. Trying to find a good place for that. For this eye look, we're going to use Profusion's eye palette, 8-shade eyeshadow palette. Don't think there's really a name for this one. Oh, very uncomfortable to have stickers on your eye. It's fine. We're doing great. So then we're just going to take this Backstage color and put that into our crease, and then we're going to blend this green color Attitude into that. So this is kind of a subtle gold-ish color that goes into the theme of this holiday. And of course I'm wearing some primer as well. I use Urban Decay's Eye Potion Primer. Just gonna want to make sure that you cover each side of the sticker so it has a good finished result. Just gonna blend that out a little. Then with the other side of that same brush, we're just gonna put that green and pack that onto our lid. Just gonna blend that, a little bit more of that. And onto the other eye as well. Just be careful around the sticker. It's very awkward to blend around the sticker, but we're doing great. It's kind of patting that out. Feel like getting extra when you go to your classes on St. Patrick's Day or for a work party or anything of that accord. This could be something nice for that. Not taking ourselves too seriously with this look. The struggle of using cheaper makeup. So that's how we look so far. So now at this point you can remove that sticker. Okay. So you get that little cute 4-leaf clover effect right there. And then the last step to this look is just our gold lips for the gold at the end of the rainbow. For that, we're just going to use e.l.f.'s Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick. Let's just put that on. It's like that color right there. So this is the finished look. I had a lot of fun making this. If you feel like being a little extra on your St. Patrick's Day festivities, this could be the look for you. And yeah, I look a little crazy, but you know what? We have fun here, so it's fine. Yeah, I hope you liked today's video. I post every Sunday and Wednesday, and if you'd like to see more content, then please hit subscribe. Bye guys, see you later.